Hello everyone, another video from Third Eye Surveillance. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Hikvision NVR. The NVR we're using today is version 5 M-Series, and if you are interested you can purchase this NVR from our website. It's available in 8 and 16 channels. So when you turn on your NVR, it will bring you to this page. So you need to select your region. Mine is United Kingdom. Then make sure DST is on. Click Save. Now you need to create a password. Make sure you use letters, numbers, and special characters combined. Once you created your password, make sure you create a password hint as well. Then click Active. Now you need to create a pattern. I'm just going to create a simple Z pattern. Once again, you can double check the time zone, date, format. DST is on. I'm going to click Next. DHCP is on. Click Next. If you have hard drive installed inside your NVR, it will show up here. Then you need to check the box. Then click Format or Initiate. I don't have any hard drive, so there's nothing here. I'm just going to click Next. As you can see, I have one camera connected. I'm going to click Next. Once you are in this page, make sure Enable is on. Comply with terms and conditions. Click OK. As you can see, connection status is online, but account status is unlinked. What you need to do is to scan this QR code, download the HikConnect app on your phone, complete the registration, and then click on Add Device on your app. Then scan this QR code. And you are more than welcome to change this verification code to something memorable. Once it's done, the account status will change to link. Then click Finish. Here you can give your email address or answer some security question for password reset purposes. I'm going to skip it. Click on Start. If your cameras have microphone, you can click OK. That is all for today, but we got so much to explore on this NVR, so stay tuned. Thank you.